am Palesa Madi. I am the Acting Deputy Director at the Center for Applied Legal Studies, and we're based at Wits University. So I grew up in a small township, Motlhakeng in Randfontein. That's the West Rand of Joburg. I decided to study law. At the time, I wasn't quite clear which area of law I'd focus in, but as a result of my involvement with the Students for Law and Social Justice in my third and fourth year, it became apparent to me that I could use the law to bring about social change, and that you could improve or help people improve their lives or access to opportunities, access to justice through the use of law. At the time, we worked closely with organizations like the Center for Applied Legal Studies, Section 27, and other NGOs and civil society organizations. And at that point, I was quite clear that that's where I wanted my career to go. At the one seminar I attended for Students for Law and Social Justice, I remember for the first time getting a sense that I wanted to be part of a conversation. I could understand the context. I could resonate with some of the struggles that we were talking about. I started feeling a bit of passion, and I realized I could do this every day. I could creatively use the law to think of solutions for the various problems that we face every day in this country. So we're a generalist organization, so we work across various issues. Just briefly, our programs are business and human rights. We have an environmental justice program where we focus quite a bit on the mining sector. We have the civil and political justice program. Then we've got the land, home, and rural democracy program, where the primary focus there is helping people defend unlawful evictions, helping people access basic services like water and electricity. Then we have the gender justice program, where, again, a lot of the time we've focused on ensuring that perpetrators of sexual violence and all forms of gender injustices are criminalized, but our focus is to ensure that the institutions that are responsible to protect women are held accountable where they failed to protect women. So I like to think of our work as us furthering the transformative constitutionalism project. We primarily use the law, so we litigate quite often, but we're quite selective of the types of cases that we take on. We aren't a law clinic where we assist everyone that comes through our door, but we try to take on cases that we know will have a larger social impact. So it won't just benefit that particular client, but will set a precedent, will fundamentally change the law so that other people like that client will also benefit from that judgment. The work that public interest litigation organizations like CALS does is crucial to further the transformative constitutionalism project. We need to keep holding the state accountable, corporations accountable, and individuals who are violating people's human rights. This work has to continue, but it cannot continue if we're not well resourced. I urge individuals, corporations, the state to play their part, and so that we all equally benefit from a better society.